What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be discussing the 1943 copper penny. So, if you don't know, the 1943 copper penny is one of the most famous error coins to date, guys. 1943 was a year where the pennies were supposed to be all steel because they wanted to use the copper for war material during World War II. So if anyone was to find one of these copper pennies, you knew it was something to hold on to. In fact, the 1943 copper penny is one of the most valuable pennies known to man, if not the most valuable. At auctions, the average price for the 1943 copper penny ranges from as low as $100,000 to $250,000, guys, and that's in average condition. PCGS actually went ahead and graded the 1943 penny and valued it between $1 million to $1.5 million. The 1943 and the 1943S copper penny are $1 million, and the 1943D is valued at $1.5 million. In 2010, Goldberg Auctioneers sold a 1943D copper penny for $1.7 million. So if you ask yourself, how do I know if my penny is copper and not steel, based off of other things than just looks? If you put a magnet to your coin and it sticks, then it is not copper, it is steel. So that is definitely one way to tell. If you get a magnet, put it to your coin and it sticks, it is a steel penny. So yeah, guys, definitely be on the lookout for these. They are very rare and very, very valuable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.